see. I'm gonna say that those are probably 10s up here. There's another line here, this coolant line here. It needs to be disconnected right there. There's no pressure in the system though, so it shouldn't be a problem. I should be able to just disconnect that without any problem. Getting into this bolt here is going to be a problem. Maybe, maybe not. There we go. Move the horn out of the way. There you go. Something popped out, I don't know what, but. Alright, so that's loose. I'm going to disconnect this line up here. There shouldn't be any pressure in this. Oh, I can't because that's really crushed in there. That's going to be tricky. I can't get the socket in there. Yeah, that's going to be really tricky. I'll have to do that from underneath. Get this line out of the way. Oh wow, it's going to be tricky. Alright, let me see if I can get over here. Get over here. Alright, got it. Actually, now that it's loose, I might be able to get the socket on there and then just twist the socket with my fingers like I did before. I'm going to disconnect this wire right here, just the harness, so I can move this out of the way more. There we go, that's better. Now I can cut that whole thing off. Make my hand in here and drop it. Oh well, I see it right there. Yeah, unfortunately, that's going to take a little time. I think what I might do is put my small bike strips on it. I'm going to see if I can get my tiny nose strip, my nose, right from that off.